Question of the day, we're back. I want to know, what's your favorite body part to work out and why? My current favorite is legs. I'm hooked on legs right now. I'm seeing development. I'm feeling good. But my favorites change. I have my times where, you know, my favorite is chest. I have my times where my favorite is, come on, you idiot. My favorite is arms, back. It's always changing. But currently, my favorite is legs. So I want to know what's your favorite body part to work out and why. Leave the comments in the comment section. Let's start this convo, people. Let's get it. Thanks for tuning in.